Hi, it's Gareth.
And Janet.
And we are in Brisbane, Australia today. And we're at the State Library of Queensland, or the Gallery of Modern Art. But we are going to go get on a ferry boat, a river boat, and we have to get over there, around this building. And I think we want to go this way. So I'm guessing it's a pretty large library. There are free restrooms here. And they're usually clean. It's Easter Sunday in Australia. And it's about 8:30 in the morning, and it's 75 degrees Fahrenheit already. Going to be in the 80s today. So it's March 31st.
There's a lot of humidity in the air too.
Yeah. So we want to be down by the water. Let's see what that says. So here's a map. We're going right there where it says pontoon. And we are here. So I guess we're going to go down there and around. That's the Brisbane River, of course. Victoria Bridge, Art Gallery, Performing Arts Center, Museum. The map we looked at was down there. We walked this way. You notice none of the signs say pontoon though, but there it is, and I think that's our boat, the Miramar 2. So you could take the ramp, or you could take the stairs.
You like the stairs.
Oh, and there's a line already. A long line already. Yeah, we're half an hour early, and so we're here in line with 50 of our good friends. And across the way there, that's downtown Brisbane, you might call it. Of course, remember, it's only 8:30 in the morning. This is the Brisbane River. You can see in town there in other videos, Walking in Brisbane, right? 2-part series from last year. I wanted to sit upstairs, but I think it's all booked. Mind the step.
Mind the step, that's the one.
Probably no room upstairs, huh? So we thought we were early, since it's 8:45 now, but we got here about 8:30, and as you saw, there was 50 people in line. So there is an upstairs, but you'd have to get here really early. So we're going to sit back here in the back of the boat outside. Here's the inside of the boat. If you're hungry.
12 years before we moved to Georgia. We've been in Texas.
Coffee, tea, lots of beer. Of course, these prices are Australian. So there's a bathroom there, there's a bathroom there. There's one outside, but it has a under repair sign on it.
Real possible is an Aboriginal word meaning place of the giant rat. Yes, you're certainly right. It links to the city of South Bank Island. In 2009. I will discuss that name later. The next is the William Jolly Bridge, named after Brisbane's first Lord Mayor and was opened in 1931. The third is the Mary Vale Rail Bridge, and this is our main train line. Carried its first train in 1938. Line named after the popular Brisbane band.
So we're underway. He's naming what the bridges are. That's a footbridge there. It's wild looking. So the trip upriver, and we are going upriver, not downriver. The cruise terminal is downriver, not at the end of the river. Wow. Trip upriver, 7 miles, about 45 minutes.
The last bridge.
the South Brisbane Sailing Club. You can't see the tall buildings anymore. This is a huge park. Of course, lots of apartments along the shore. Kayak. Now we're getting to the rocky shore. This is sort of like Kangaroo Point. Got a lot of docks all up and down the river. The narration said this is the last bridge we're going to cross or go under. And that over there might be the last City Cat ferry terminal. It's St. Lucia. University of Queensland, St. Lucia is called. So those plants down near the shore are mangroves, and in Brisbane, or maybe all of Australia, mangroves are protected species because they're important for the habitat, the health of the river. Of course, I guess if you need to build a dock, you can take out a mangrove maybe. But the mangroves have given way to luxurious homes with docks and pilings. Some people's pilings are longer than others. If you sit on the right, still have about a half an hour left. I'm upstairs. There's the captain steering the boat. He's not doing the narration now, just so you know. So most of the houses are on the left side of the river, which is, you know, on the town side, because there's no bridges anymore, I don't think. But there are buildings over there. River sports. So previously we did not sail under the last bridge. I thought I heard the narration say that, but here's at least one more bridge and maybe two. tree bridges. I guess they like to sail under those gangways. None of these houses have docks, I noticed. I've been told to look over on the left. Oh, yeah. Danger.
Getting back to the Lone Pine Sanctuary, you're right.
So we're here. Now that may look like a crocodile. It may look like an alligator. But we are too far south and the water's too cold for either of those. So there are no alligators or crocodiles anywhere around Brisbane. So we're here. The captain asked us to remain seated. You know, Janet's demonstrating what seated is. And these people are excited, so they're ignoring the directions. But I guess it's up in that jungle there. Some stairs there.